हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है टारगेट एम्स जोधपुर चैनल में। हम पढ़ रहे थे ऑन्कोलॉजी का पार्ट सेकंड पढ़ रहे हैं LMR लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन बुक में। मेटास्टेसिस क्या होता है? मोस्ट कॉमन साइट फॉर मेटास्टेसिस बोन फॉर्म्ड बाय द लंग्स, लीवर एंड स्कल आर द आल्सो साइड ऑफ द मेटास्टेसिस। सर्जरीसिस मतलब सर्जरी किस किस की होती है? लिम्पेक्टोमी यानी ट्यूमर सेल आर रिमूव, ब्रेस्ट टिश्यू कन्वर्जिंग सर्जरी, एडिशनल इंसिजन फॉर रिमूव ऑफ लिम्फ नोड, सिंपल मैसेक्टोमी, निप्पल एंड ब्रेस्ट टिश्यू आर रिमूव, लिम्फ नोड आर लेफ्ट intact, modified radiation mastectomy, breast tissue, nipple and lymph node are removed, muscles are left intact. Post operative care, semi-fowler position, position the head on the back or in affected side, elevate the upper extremities on the side of the surgery on a pillow to reduce lymphedema. If drain is in situ, maintain adequate suction and record the amount of color of drainage. Cancer of cervix. मॉडिफाई रेडिएशन मैसेक्टोमी में क्या करेंगे? ब्रेस्ट टिश्यू, निप्पल एंड लिम्फ नोड को हम क्या करेंगे? रिमूव, और मसल्स आर लिफ्ट इंटेक्ट। ठीक है। पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव केयर में क्या करेंगे? सेमी फाउलर पोजीशन, पोजीशन द हेड ऑन द बैक और एन इफेक्टेड साइड, एलिवेट द अपर एक्सट्रीमिटीज on the side of surgical on the pillow to reduce lymphedema. If drainage in the situ, maintain adequate suction and record amount and color and drainage. Cancer of the cervix. It is a malignant tumor driving from the cell of the cervix. Second most common cancer among women in India. Most common type of cervical cancer is squamous cell cancer. Risk factor: HPV infection, younger age, it first intercourse, multiple sexual partner, multiparity with poor birth, spangy, STD, OCP, use, smoking, poor personal hygiene and poor social economical status, clinical manifestation, post cordial bleeding and discharge, clear or foul smelling, post menopausal bleeding, heavier and larger menstruation period, discomfort while urinating, pelvic pain, leg pain, weight loss and fatigue. Diagnosis: pale smear, colposcopy, biopsy, site for metastasis, lungs, extent, pelvic nodes, liver and bone. Treatment: chemotherapy, surgery, cryotherapy, laser therapy, radiation therapy. Procedure: loop electrocausative excision procedure. A thin wine loop with laser is used to remove the cancerous cervical tissue. Cone biopsy, conionization, remove of cone-shaped portion of the cervix. Total hysterectomy, remove of uterus, cervix and ovaries. Radial hysterectomy, remove of uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, proximal vagina and bilateral lymph node. Y abdominal approach or Y vaginal approach. Bilateral pelvic lymphaectomy, remove of lymphatic vessels and nodules. Pelvic extensional, remove of pelvic organ including bladder, rectum and pelvic lymph node, and constructional derivation, conduct, colostomy and vagina. Radical trichectomy, remove of cervix and select lymph node to previous childbearing capacity of the woman. Avoid BP monitoring, IV injection, and other intravenous into the arm on the side of the mastectomy, as it increases the risk of the lympha- lymphedema. lymphedema. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women, India and world. Ovarian cancer, cancer of the ovary. There are the invasive tumor which originate in the ovary, most common type in epithelial ovarian cancer, risk factor, early menarche, late menopause, family history, old age, obesity, clinical manifestation, increased abdominal grip, pelvic pressure, bleeding, back pain, constipation, abdominal pain, urinary urgency, indigestion, fatigueness, increased waist size, leg pain and pelvic pain. Diagnosis: MRI, transvaginal and pelvic ultrasound, chest X-ray, blood test for CA 125, abdominal CT without consent, treatment, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, surgical management, bilateral bilateral salpingo operectomy and omenectomy, remove of the ovary, fallopian tube and omentum, total abdominal hysterectomy, uterine cancer या endometrium cancer. There are this tumor of endometrium, mucosal lining of the uterus, risk factor, exposure to estrogen therapy, early menarche, late menopause, nulliparida, in ovulation, family history, infertility, diabetes, clinical manifestation, abnormal bleeding, vaginal discharge, low backache, pelvic pain, abdominal pain, enlargement, uterus, radiation therapy, chemotherapy and surgery are the treatment modalities. Surgical management: total hysterectomy, remove of uterus, cervix and ovary, radical hysterectomy, uterus, ovarian, fallopian tube, proximal vagina and bilateral lymph node and are removed. It can be done by abdominal approach, Y vaginal approach, bilateral salpingo-operostomy, remove of ovarian and fallopian tube, salpino-operostomy यानी ओवरी एंड फैलोपियन ट्यूब को रिमूव करना. ब्लैडर कैंसर, रिस्क फैक्टर, स्मोकिंग, एक्सपोजर टू इन्वायरमेंट, कार्सिनोजन, रबर, ड्राई लेटर लिंक और पेंट, recurrent UTI, bladder stone, pelvic radiation therapy, metastasis to liver, bone and lungs, clinical manifestation, gross or microscopic painless hematuria, most common sign of frequency, urine urgency, dysuria. Diagnosis: urine cytologically status, tumor marker analysis intravenously, pyelogram, IVP, ultrasound, CT, MRI, bladder wash specimen and biopsy management. Radiation therapy is useful for distracting the tumor size to relieve symptoms. Chemotherapy agents are inside into the bladder and thin client position changes every 15 to 30 minutes after 2 hours. Client avoid in sitting position. Inserted the client to increase the fluid intake to the clean bladder. Ileal consist barrier procedure. It is also known as uteroileostomy. Urethras are attached to a portion of ileum, and one part of the ileum is taken to the abdominal wall as stoma. Continuous leakage of urine will be there. Client has to wear any Appleus ovarian stoma, coach pouch. Considers ileostoma part of ileum. Ascending column is used to create uterine pouch. ureters and implantation on the side of pouch. It has nipple value that help the patient to be continuous. Unlike ileal consists, patient is to be educated about the intermediate self-catheterization to empty the bladder. Indiana pause is carried using terminal ileum and ascending column, which provide a pause with hunger capacity than coach pause. Neobladders segmental of in intestinal to use to create internal pause, and urethras are consent to the pause. The receiver to consent to urethra, so client can avoid why natural orifice by increasing abdominal pressure or by intermediate self-catheterization. Stoma is create our kidney and urine is drained with the help of tube. Ureterostoma. Ureter are broad over the abdomen to drain urine. Vesicostoma. Stoma is create over bladder and uterus drain. Prostate cancer. Most common type cancer. Prostate in adenocarcinoma. Risk factor increase in age, family history, excessive red meat and dairy product in diet, hormones such as adenogen and estrogen. Clinical manifestation asymptomatic at early stages, urination obstruction in advanced stages due to obstruction of bladder, neck by prostate tumor, painful ejaculation, blood in urine and serum. Sexual dysfunction usually occur before diagnosis in made-up diagnosis. P-size hard nodules in palpate on digital rectal examination process, especially antigen transrectal ultrasound with biopsy. Histological examination confirmatory test. Genos score is the most commonly used in tumor getting system. Metastasis is mainly bone, lungs, liver and kidney treatment. Radiation, prostatectomy, first line treatment. Prostate similar vesicular tip of the vas difference and surrounding blood vessels and fat is removed. Transurethral resuscitation of the prostate is most commonly used surgical procedure. Chemotherapy, brachial therapy, teletherapy, hormonal therapy, adenogen diversion therapy. Glycoma या GLIOM glycoma. Glioma most common type of brain tumor among adults. These originate from glial cell. Astrocytoma are the most common type of glioma. Risk factor exposure to ionizing radiation. Clinical manifestation sign and symptom related to increased ICP such as headache, vomiting, visual disturbance, seizure, mental status changes. Diagnosis CT, MRI, cerebrum angiography, ECG. Cytological status of CSF management, chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgical resuscitation of tumor. Osteosarcoma most common and fetal malignant bone tumor. Risk factor pedal disease, exposure to radiation. ओसोसार्किनोमा में होता है. क्लिनिकल मैन्युफैक्चर पेन, स्वेटिंग limited motion, weight loss, bony mass may be palpate, tender and fixed. Diagnosis: CT, MRI, bone scanning, mammography, biopsy, and blood serum show elevate alkaline phosphate level. Management में surgical incision, radiation therapy और chemotherapy. Supra vena cava syndrome, obstruction of the superior vena cava by tumor, obstruct by venous drain from head and neck and arm and thorax. Most common seen in lungs cancer. Superior vena cava syndrome, it is left untreated. Oxygenated blood to brain will be affected, resulting in tissue anorexia and death of the person. Tumor lysis syndrome, due to the deterioration of repeatedly grow tumor cell by radiation therapy or chemotherapy. The intracellular consists in released into the blood. It lead to a electrolyte imbalance such as hyperkalemia, hyperuricemia, hypocalcemia, hyperphosphatemia. Spine cord compression of spinal cord from tumor, lymphoma, intravertebral device prolapse or tumor metastasis from breast, lungs, kidney, prostate, myeloma, and lymphoma causes this. It will lead to permanent neurological damage and mortality. Hypercalcemia, a life-threatening condition among patients with cancer because of release of cancerum from body from more than is most, which can be eliminated by kidney. Leukemia, it is the malignant of the blood forming cell. Leukemia is the uncontrollable proliferation of the leukocyte which causes bone marrow to the replaced by immature indifferent cell. Indifferentiated cell, immature blast cell. Proliferation will result in proliferation of blood cell, which lead to deficiency of healthy RBC and WCC platelets. Acute lymphoid leukemia. Acute lymphoid leukemia, uncontrollable proliferation of immature cell from lymphoid stem cell is known as acute lymphoid leukocytes. Most common seen in children या चाइल्ड बोल सकते हैं. कीमोथेरेपी इज ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ चॉइस. क्रॉनिक लिम्फोइड ल्यूकेमिया, इट इज़ ए मोस्ट कॉमन मेलिग्नेंट सीन इन अमंग अडल्ट में. क्रॉनिक होता है अडल्ट में, एक्यूट होता है चाइल्ड में. पैनकाइटोपिनिया एंड रिलीज मैन्युफैक्चर कैन बी सीन. क्लाइंट विथ CLL develop these symptoms such as fever, decreasing sweat, and unilateral weight loss. Acute myeloid leukemia, it is malignancy of myeloid stem cell. Pancytopenia and related manifestation can be seen. Manifestation elevate spleen and liver. Lymphoadenopathy can be seen in diagnosed CBC and bone marrow aspiration are the diagnosis test. Chemotherapy are hematopoiesis stem transplantation. Chronic myeloid leukemia, uncontrolled proliferation of blast cell from myeloma stem cell. Pancytopenia, release symptom, and lymphadenopathy can be seen. Diagnosis CBC and bone marrow aspiration. Malignant chemotherapy and bone marrow transplantation. Lymphoma, these are the neoplasm of the lymphonoid origin, classified as Hodgkin lymphoma and non-Hodgkin lymphoma.